worry. We'll find you a teacher. There are plenty of amazing earthbenders out there. Not like her. Tom! What are you doing here? My dad changed his mind. He said I was free to travel the world.
Well, we better get out of here before your dad changes his mind again.
Good idea. You're going to be a great teacher, Tom. Speaking of which, I want to show you something. Okay. Now we're even. I'll take the belt back. Ow!
Sorry.
I know you two are very different, but I believe you have a common interest. The Avatar has kidnapped my daughter. I want you to do whatever it takes to bring her home.